balls for Meanie and Wally. Fa la 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 la. The gifts I'll give them make me jolly. Fa la 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 la. 'Cause throughout next year I'll borrow. Ah la 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 la. Uncle Woody! Uncle Woody! Hey, no fair!
If we have to wait for the figgy pudding, so do you!
Come on, Splinter. Let's get our Santa sighting webcast set up.
Next time, a pinch less, Woodpecker.
You two better behave tonight, or I'll tell my friend Santa to leave nothing but coal in your stockings.
You can't do that!
Nobody ever gets to see Santa, Uncle Woody. That's why we're gonna get a secret video of him tonight.
And webcast it on Splinter and Knothead's SantaSightingLive.com.
Whoa, wait. Back up a second. You two don't think I know Santa? Winnie, tell him. I'm best friends with Santa Claus.
Sure you are, Woody. And monkeys fly out of my beak when I sneeze.
Yeah? Well, if it wasn't for me, there'd be no Christmas at all tonight. Or ever. I saved Christmas, and I remember it like it was yesterday. It was a cold and snowy night before Christmas. And there I was, out looking for a new place to live. Woohoo! It's my lucky night!
And that's how Wally Walrus saved Christmas, you bet.
You're as nutty as a Christmas fruitcake.
That's not the important part. The important part is
was the
I-
one who
crazy.
saved
You weren't
Christmas.
there.
I was
I'm
there.
the one who
My
saved
part was
Christmas.
the
Don't
most
you know?
important part.
Rooftop spy cam ready, Splinter.
Sky scan spy cam ready, too. Whoa! Bogey at 12 o'clock.
Is it?
Switch to the rooftop cam.
He's here. Hey, everybody! Look, it's Santa! Being kidnapped?
Crazy.
Hey, everybody! Was one of those kidnappers big and funny looking?
And the other kind of short and,
Funny looking? I did!
No,
I'm
it
the
was
one who
me.
saved
If it
Christmas.
wasn't for me,
It's no
Thanksgiving,
use.
New Year, nothing in between.
We gotta do somebody
everybody, look!
You weren't there. I
I was the
there.
one who saved Christmas.
That ransom is gonna be ours this time. No ifs, ands, or woodpeckers' butts.
Oh, yeah?
What?
It's the two converts.
Ooh, they broke out of Yale.
George!
Yeah!
We'll save you, Santa.
Fire!
Oh! Ambush! Take cover!
Check it out, Webbies! The jolly old elf himself!
Carpet! Meatballs, rugs, and sofa beds.
The only way to pull off a Christmas save! Remember, you saw it all on Splinter and Knothead SantaSightingLive.com.
Knothead, Splinter, my reindeer, thank you. My elves, thank you. The children of the world, thank you. We all thank you for saving Christmas.
Well, sure, but they used my patented sofa stopper routine.
Without my famous rug ripper move, they'd never have gotten to your sofa.
Oh, yeah? Well, my mighty meatball started it all for sure.
You and your meatballs!
It was
Nobody
the
even likes
meatballs, I
meatballs!
Thanks to this one and thanks to that one. What about
Is it always like this around here?
Not always. Watch. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la.
Farewell, huh?
'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
Anybody could get a flag and say Flag Day, but all the ancient Yuletide carols. You'll all see.
People know what I'm talking
Everybody
about.
dump on
There I
Wally.
was,
Dump
minding my
on
own
Wally,
business,
huh?
when suddenly I ran into all these problems. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. Fa la 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 la. What about me? I didn't hear any thanks to me. Treasure. Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Oh, what a great shot!
need a shave. Wait a sec. I don't have a beard. Wow! It's a million-year-old cave woodpecker frozen in ice.
Congratulations, Mr. Woodpecker. You have found your earliest known relative, the cave woodpecker. This is the archaeological find of the millennium.
I'll be rich and famous. Woohoo! But how am I gonna get you to the museum? Better get a pecking. Oh no! If that guy escapes, there goes my fame and fortune! I'm not gonna hurt you! I'm trying to help you!
Lumber.
Food? Fine. Just stop clobbering the wallpaper, you Neander freak!
Tickets, please.
Oh no! I don't have a ticket for you! You gotta hide! One ticket for Woody Woodpecker, traveling alone, by himself.
May I help you stow that suitcase?
I'll just stow it up here. Good night, steward. That does it, Buster. Hey, good idea. Let's get you into some duds so you'll blend in. Not bad. Now it's my turn. Now let's go eat.
Go eat! Go eat! Go eat!
May I? Yeah, sure. I'll never win a prize.
Time to go, Now, we're going to dinner. You behave. Huh? Everything's a game with you, isn't it?
Everything's a game. Everything's a game.
Oh, yes! I couldn't agree more. And doesn't it get so tiresome playing by the rules all the time?
Sweet.
Ooh, you are a breath of fresh air, Woodpecker. Oh, let's eat our dessert first and have dinner after. You social saboteur, you.
You social saboteur, you.
Are you two nuts?
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, this is fun! Hey, break it up! You're gonna get us kicked off this train!
You! I knew you were trouble!
Let's amscray! No! You're coming with me!
He wants to stay. He's the life of the party.
And stay off this train! May I see your ticket, Woodpecker?
He's with me, steward. Put his ticket, put his dinner, put this whole darn dining car on my tab. Then clean this place up at once so we can do it all over again.
My wild woodpecker! Gone! Oh, I'd like to take this club and... Wait a minute.
Your Cave Woodpecker Club will make a fine addition to our museum, Mr. Woodpecker.
it's worth?
Well, we do find a lot of these clubs in our digs. However, if you should ever come across one of these, you'd be absolutely set for life.
Can't decide on the best method to get down a frozen mountain? Then you should sign up for the Inertiathon, the all-out freestyle race to the bottom of Mount Incline Plain. It's the downhill experience of a lifetime. What's in it for you? Well, the first to reach the bottom wins $50, a year's supply of cornmeal, and a firm handshake.
This will settle it once and for all, you bet. I challenge you to the race.
You're on.
Well, I guess this little difference of opinion will be settled on the slopes. Racers, to your marks.
Hey, Wally, your boots untied.
Hold my poles, Woodpecker.
Get set.
Woodpecker, my poles.
Here you go.
Swedish meatballs. Time to meet your maker, Woodpecker. Get it? Meet your maker. I crack myself up sometimes.
Oh my gosh, Swedish hitman. Oh yeah?
Bye-bye.
Hey, how come they're laughing?
Hiya, buddy.
Another great toboggan victory! How does tobogganing compare with skiing and snowboarding?
I told you! The world's greatest sport is tobogganing! Nothing higher! Nothing closer to perfection! How many times do I have to tell you? Can't you people get it through your heads? Tobogganing rules! Oh, it's my purpose in life.
Oh, that's my good little woodland creatures. Store plenty of food. Mother Nature says it's going to be a long winter. Woody, you should be flying south for the winter.
What are you talking, winter? It's 80 degrees.
But there's a cold snap coming.
So wake me when it's winter.
Wakey, wakey. Now fly south like you're supposed to.
I really do gotta head south, and flying's way too tiring. But riding a train's more like it.
This is Ultra Lux Rail. You want our economy class train. Outer Luck Rail.
Hiya, buddy.
So, he wants to play it like that, does he? Fine by me. How much just to send my bag?
Cargo is, what do you know, $20. I show this freeloader a thing or tree or fur. All aboard!
Whoa!
What have you done?
Ooh, bad order.
Oh, Fjord!
Porter, get off of me.
If you won't do something, I will.
Oh, I saved you, Mr. Lux. I saved you.
Nonsense! Woody Woodpecker here saved my train, and I'm awarding him a lifetime pass to ride free every winter when it's time for him to head south. No! Meanwhile, you're going to work on Outer Luck Rail.
Hiya, buddy.